Sounds of the outside world. For those who want to feel like they're outside without going outside. In case you're wondering, this is a rock. In case you don't know what a rock is because you're always inside, you don't know what the outside world is. Let me just find... Oh, look. Here's another rock. Wait, actually, no, this is a piece of concrete. In case you're wondering, because you're always inside and you just fear the outside world, this is what concrete sounds like when it's thrown at asphalt at full force. Okay, wait. It literally ricocheted all the way over there. That's the exact same piece. Okay, yeah. Well, anyways, that's it for today's morning video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, and if you've watched it if you watch all the way until the end, and just listen to this quick piece of advice. Nice. Go outside. Alright, touch grass. Do something with your life. Alright, you only live once. And just like this rock there, hung there. Alright, if you just don't do anything, you're gonna end up getting lost. And have nothing else to do than to be lost. So live your life. TV Man out.